This one everyone knows, that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So this remainder theorem I is going to tell you by the example directly. Okay. I'll just tell you this remainder theorem by the help of example. I'm just taking the example as suppose I take an example of this one. If you are going to divide this polynomial x square minus 3x minus 10 divided by x plus 2. If you divide, what is the remainder coming after division? So if you want to put direct value, suppose you are dividing with x plus 2, right? So first if you write here x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay. So x is equals to what you should write here? Minus 2. So if you're going to put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in this equation, you will get remainder. If you put the value of x is equal to minus 2 in this equation, what do you get? You get remainder. Understood, children? The what remainder we're getting is try to understand here. Minus 2 to the power 2 minus 3x minus 10. So 4 minus 3 into minus 2 and minus 10. So 4 plus 6 minus 10. So here if you solve, you will get remainder as what? 0, right, children? See here remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, so we can say that two things are there, children. One is remainder theorem and one is factor theorem. Factor theorem. The first one I'm telling about remainder theorem. Okay. Children, all of you on the camera, please, because I just forgot only to tell you people. Without saying it, people not tell. Can you hear me, all of you? Sai Charan, Satvik, Shranvi. All right.
Sir, I have a bit net issues, sir, so I'll not be able to on the camera.
Always you are having.
Sir, no, sir, I'm in my grandparents' house, so.
Sai Charan, what about you?
Yeah, sir, 1 minute.
So first of all, here I'm just trying to make you understand remainder theorem. So if you're writing this x square minus 3x minus 10 is divisible by x plus 2. Okay. So first, what is your divisor? What is dividend? So this part is your divisor, right? Divisor, dividend. So here this is your dividend and this is divisor. So first what you do, make divisor is equals to 0. What you will get the value of x? You will get minus 2. Same, you put the value of x in dividend. Okay. The answer what you are getting, that is nothing but remainder. Is it clear, children? Is it clear what is remainder? Divisor is equals to 0 you put, and the same thing you put in dividend. What is the answer you are getting? That is nothing but remainder. Is it clear? And if remainder is coming 0, if remainder is 0, if remainder is equals to 0, then what we can say? Then we can say x plus 2. 1 minute. We'll write here x to the power 3 minus 3x minus 10 is the factor of x plus 2. Is it clear, children? If remainder is equals to 0, if remainder is equals to 0, then only we can say that x cube, sorry, x square is here, no? X square minus 3x minus 10 is the factor of x plus 2. Obviously, if remainder is coming 0, then we have to tell that x plus 2 x square minus 3x minus 10 is the factor of x plus 2. So this is nothing but both theorem I told you to see by single example, remainder theorem as well as factor theorem. Is it clear, children? What is remainder theorem? What is factor theorem? If it is given, you can find remainder. Right? Huh.
Sir, remainder theorem means after solving the equation, the value which we get is, if it is zero, then it is zero. Remainder means remainder theorem. Sir.
No, no. Remainder theorem is how to get remainder directly by putting the value of divisor in the dividend. You may get here 3 also. Any number, 2, 3, whatever you can get the remainder. So this is the theorem by which we can get the remainder in only 1 or 2 steps. Understood? Otherwise, you can divide and see. Okay, Sai Charan?
Sir, means I did not understand, sir, means how to do.
Okay. So how to find the remainder, that you are not understanding, or how is it?
Yeah, sir. Means
Okay.
like,
All right. What about Sranvi? You understood how to find the remainder?
Yes, sir.
See, so Sai Charan, once again, I'm telling you, if you're not understanding, if you divide by long method, no, Sai Charan, if you divide by long method, so what we need to do is x plus 2, if you divide by long method, see here what we are doing is divisor is equals to 0 you are making, Sai Charan, okay? Divisor is equals to 0. So we can get x equal to minus 2. Understood this much, Sai Charan?
yeah, sir, once repeated.
Yeah, same thing we are putting in the dividend, and what you are getting the answer, that is your remainder. And if you do want to do by long division method, that also you can do. X square plus 2x, so you'll get here minus and get cancelled, you get minus 5x minus 10, they should write here minus 5, so minus 5x minus 10, so you'll get remainder as what? 0. Understood? Satvik, it's clear to you?
Sir, the theorem is the answer, right?
Yeah, theorem is nothing but by the help of this method, you should get the remainder directly.
Okay.
Yeah. Is it clear?
Yes,
How to
sir.
get the answer directly? Now, if remainder is 0, then we can say that divisor dividend is factor of divisor. Is it clear or not? If remainder is 0, then we can say that dividend is a factor of divisor. If it is not 0, if it is coming any number, any integers, okay, or any number, suppose 1 is coming here, 2 is coming, then this is not the factor. This is not the factor because it should completely divisible, right? Factor means remainder should be what? 0. Hope it's clear to everyone. Is it clear?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Satvik, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. Now next one. Next question is remainder theorem here also is there. Don't go behind. See, what is the remainder? One example is there, all of you do, children. What is the remainder? What is the remainder if this is divisible by a minus 1? All of you do. Satvik, you should tell me the answer for this.
Sir, we can do it in the long division method, sir, means which or second method.
Right now we read remainder method, no? Directly they are asking only remainder method. They are not asking any long division method or something like that. Directly we use remainder method only, okay? Directly use remainder this theorem. Why this is not coming over here? Simply what we should do is, this is your divisor, right? That is made equal to 0. Now a is equals to 1 you get, right? Now put the value of 1 instead of a. The 1 to the power
Sir,
4.
answer is 2, sir.
Okay. 1 to the power 4, 1 to the power 3, minus 2 into 1 to the power 2 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. So if I ask, is this one a to the power 4, this part is factor of this one or not? Not the factor. This is not the factor of this. and this is your remainder. Remainder. Is it clear, Satvik
Yeah.
and Sai Charan?
Yes, sir.
And if you want to do by remainder by long method, you do. But if they
Sir,
don't,
in any method, sir, like if we gave a divide it with like x minus means like x minus 1, sir. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, we can keep it like that.
yeah, that you keep it like that. X value can put in the polynomial.
Yeah.
And whatever answer you're getting, that is your remainder. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this both the theorem I tell in here only one example. You can take it up. What is factor theorem? What is remainder theorem? Remainder means first you take your divisor is equal to 0. That value put in dividend. If it is whatever it is coming, that is your remainder. If remainder is coming, so that other your polynomial is dividend is a factor of your divisor. That's it. Hope it's clear to all of you. Factor
Yes.
theorem here also no need to just do
Sir,
anything.
can you summarize, sir, means factor theorem?
Factor theorem we want to summarize.
Yeah, sir, means I did not understand.
This one you want factor theorem, this one.
Yeah, sir.
The same example sum is mentioned over here, factor theorem. Factor theorem says that if py is a polynomial with degree n is greater than 1, greater than or equal to 1, you know the degree means it should not be 0. Your means if you are having degree 0, it means you are having a constant number, right? Correct, no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So here that's why they are saying here as the factor theorem says that if py is a polynomial with degree n is greater than or equal to 1 and t is any real number, then y minus t is a factor of py if pt is equals to 0. See, pt is equal to 0 means what? This part they are writing is equals to 0. Y minus t is equals to 0. So y is equal to what you are getting? T you are getting. This is a factor of this. It means what? Sai Charan.
Yeah, sir, means
Y minus t is a factor of py if pt is equals to 0. If it means you are putting the value of t in this, then it should come what? 0. Got it or not?
yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, pt is equals to 0 if y minus t is a factor of py. The same thing they have written here. Understood or not? Shriyanvi, Sai Charan and Satvik.
Understood.
Yeah,
Understood, sir.
that's it. Understood now, Sai Charan? It's clear to you now?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. If it's not clear, I'll tell you once again, not a problem. You tell me if you're not getting. Here, see what they are saying. Once again, I'm telling you, I will not feeling you confident. See, y minus t is a factor. It means this is what? Divisor, okay? So divisor is equal to 0 you make. It means you'll get y is equal to t. So then you are putting here t only, no? Then you are getting 0. Understood?
Yeah, sir.
All right.
We are getting the value t as the same value 0.
Yeah. If you're putting the value over there, it should come 0. Then only we can say this is a factor. P is equal to pt is equal to 0. Then this is what? Factor of py.
Sir, py means a polynomial y.
Yeah, polynomial y. Here they've given now py. Whatever the inside the polynomial is, instead of y, you are putting value of p. Instead of y, you are putting p. That's why I just told you by what? Example, so that you understand better. Understood, Sai Charan?
Yeah, sir.
See, now example, this example you take. Here the question, gx is equal to x minus 3. And this is a factor of this whole polynomial. Whether this is gx is a factor or not. So what you should get, you should get remainder is equals to 0, right? Remainder is equals to what? 0.
Sir, so now you will take the x minus 3 is equal to 0, right?
Yeah, very good. X minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 you put. Okay. So you can put x is equal to 3 in this equation. So what do you get? 3 to the power 3 minus 4, 3 to the power 2 plus 3 plus 6. Whatever you're getting, just simply put the values and get the answer. Understood, Sai Charan? So all thing will get cancelled. Your answer is 0. So x minus 3 is the factor of this. It's true. Yes. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
example number 2, if you understood, children, all of you find example number 2, what you are getting the answer for k. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of px is equals to kx square minus root 2x plus 1. Who is not able to understand, let me know right now only if you can't solve. And if you can solve, you solve it fast. I'll give you 1 minute time, not more than that. 1 minute. What you are getting the answer, children? Yeah, tell me, children, what you are getting the value of k.
Sir, how did you get uh, root of 2 minus 1?
Root of 2 minus 1. 1 minute. It got closed automatically. What you are saying, Sai Charan?
Sir, how did you get the minus 1, sir?
1 minute. Let me check
Root
whether
of 2
answer.
minus 1.
Which step you are having doubt here? Sriyanu, you got the answer?
Sir, I got the answer, sir. Before I did wrong, sir.
Okay, which part you are having doubt? Which steps you are saying? Say the step.
No, sir, I made a mistake in third step, sir.
Okay, all right, fine. Sriyanu, you got the answer?
Sir, I got root 2 minus 1, sir.
Yeah, that's true. You can see my screen. That's correct, right?
Yeah, it was correct, sir.
Satvik, what about you?
Got it, sir.
All right, fine. Now see factorization of polynomials. Either you can, there are 3 methods here. There's a factorization can be done by 3 methods. First is by taking out common factor. If you are having x square minus x. So what is common in this two? X is common. You can write here x minus 1. It is clear? So these are the how to factorize to take the common. First method is this. Method 1. So I don't think this part you are having doubt in to find common factor, normal. Next one is by grouping. Grouping means, you know, children, grouping you know or not? If I give an example, then only you can understand by grouping. If I write x plus 2 plus 3, sorry, x plus 2. If I write here x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, this is 5x happened, no? Something else we should take that is better. X and 3x.
Correct, sir. 3x.
We can, if we do like this, then we can take what is common in this two. Tell me, children. X is common, so x plus 2 have written. In this one, we are having 3 common, so x plus 2. So this is like grouping. First group, second group. So last we can write x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay.
So, and there is another method too, I think so, sir. Like taking the coefficients and
Yeah, that is your third. Okay. First one is common factor, taking common factor. Second is by grouping, and third one is by factorization, right? By splitting the middle term, right? You are saying now? This only you are saying maybe. Right, Charan? Suppose I'm giving 3 examples to you people. All of you factorize the middle term. You have read from class 7th only, I think. Minus 5x plus 6. X square minus x minus 6. X square plus x minus 6. All of you just tell me the split. You can, you know the splitting of middle term. Children, do you know splitting of middle terms? Satvik, tell me for first one, what should I split? This first and last is nothing but product. And this middle part is nothing but sum. So 6x square, write it separately, 6x square. What you should do, take 2 parts, split into 2 parts such that your product is 6x square and your sum is minus 5x. What we should take? What we should take, children? Sriyanvi, what we should take here?
sir, minus 3 into minus 2, sir.
Yeah, minus 3 into minus 2. Satvik, you are getting or not?
And we will write minus 5 as minus 3 plus minus 2, like sir.
Yeah,
So is
Sriyanvi.
it minus 3x and minus 2x?
Very good. Plus 6. For this one, what we should do, children? Tell me for second one. Second one, what we need to do?
Minus
X into 1.
What?
X into 1.
X into 1. How 6x square will come? We should product should be minus 6x square, Saicharan. Remember that. Product should be 6x square and addition should be minus x.
Sir,
Yeah,
I did
tell
not understood why 6x square came.
where? First one or second one? Which example you are saying?
It means here, sir, means yeah, sir, second one
Second one, where is your doubt?
means how minus 6x square and 6x square came, sir. Means first and second I have doubt, sir.
See, if you multiply first and last, Saicharan, see 6 and x square, what do you get?
Okay. Now I understand.
And here is minus, so that is minus 6 square.
Yeah, sir.
Split the middle term, Saicharan, what do you get? Split the middle term in this case.
So X, sir.
Two parts you should tell me, not only x.
Yeah, sir.
I don't know if this is correct, but is it 2x and minus 3x?
Yeah, that's only plus 2x and minus 3x. You can see by yourself only. No, if you multiply this both, you get 6x. If you multiply this, you'll get minus 6x square, and if you add, you'll get minus x. You can check by yourself you are doing correct or not.
Yeah, sir.
All right. Is it clear? So now tell me the last part of it. Last part of it. Tell me fast, any one of you. Satvik, why you are so silent, Bao? Why you are so silent, Satvik? Tell something, no? Satvik.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell.
I don't know if this is correct, but minus 2x and 3x.
Yeah. Clear, Sai Charan? What to do? See, fact, if you are having doubt, no, what you do like this, you can do. 6, it can be like 3 and 2. This is a multiple of 3 and 2. Or
Yeah.
6 can be multiple of 1 and 6. Apart from this, you are not having any multiple of the 6, right? So 3 and 2, you can take and 1 and 6 is possibility. That's it. Understood, everyone? So what we can do now, we have to take 2 common here. This first part, second part. You can write here x minus 3 minus 2, x minus 3. So x minus 2 and x plus 3. This is your factorization. It's clear. X again, you can write x plus 2 minus 3, x plus 2, x plus 2 into x minus 3. Is it clear, children?
Yeah, sir.
Why here is minus 6? Why have written plus 2 over here? Tell me, Sai Charan. Here is minus 6 on the top. I'm writing here minus 2. Why? You understood this part? Tell me, Sai Charan, fast. Why so sound is coming from? Huh?
Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
Yeah,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Like-
tell me. Tell.
Sir,
Hello?
actually, I'm not.
Yeah, Shriyanvi, tell me.
Oh, sir, is the answer x plus 3 and x minus 2?
Which one? Which one? First, second, third. Which one you're telling the answer, Shriyanvi?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Shriyanvi, can you hear me?
Sir,
Hello.
sir, can you repeat it, sir? Now only I came, sir.
Can you hear me, Shriyanvi and Sai
Hello,
Charan?
sir.
Yeah,
It just broke now. Your voices keep on breaking, sir.
keep on breaking, is it?
No, sir. It's clear.
Okay, I'm just putting the cable here. Yeah, now it's clear, sir, Shriyanvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which answer you are saying now? Tell me, first, second, or third? Which one?
Third, sir.
Okay, answer is x plus 3 and x minus 2. It's correct. Yeah, Sai Charan, tell me what you are saying.
Sir, nothing, sir. Means at middle, it got stuck, sir. The screen was not working, sir. I did not.
All right, all right. So what I'm saying here is, I have written here is minus 6 and we are writing plus 2. Why we are writing plus 2 over here? Sai Charan, tell me.
Yeah, sir. Where, sir?
Here we are writing plus 2. See, here I've written plus 2. Why?
X plus 2 and x. Sir, as it is.
Because if you here is minus, if you multiply only, no, then you'll get here minus
Yeah,
6.
X
Understood?
it's minus.
Yeah. So shall I ask the same question if I ask you x square? Then what I should ask you? Minus 7x, okay, and plus 6. Then what you should write? Tell me, children.
Yeah, sir. Doing.
Who will tell? Where Satvik went? Satvik is having network problem or what? I don't know. X square minus 7x plus 6.
Sir, it's minus 1x into minus 7x.
Minus 1x into 7x.
No, sir. No. Minus 1 into 6, sir.
Yeah, minus 1 into 6x. So minus x, right? Don't write minus 1x, minus
Yeah.
x, minus 6x. Very good. So x common, x minus 1, minus 6 common, x minus 1. So x minus 1, x minus 6. Understood? No? Sai
Yeah,
Charan?
sir.
If I write here same thing, x square minus 5x or 6x of my writing here, minus 6x or if I write something different. If I write minus 5x plus 6. Now you tell. Or minus 6 I write here. Minus 6 only. I write here minus 6. Tell me, children, now what I should do?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Tell fast, x square minus 5x minus 6.
Sir, it's not coming, sir. Sir, we
Coming.
can write minus 5x as 5 into minus 1, sir. But when we come to, no, sir, 1 minute, sir.
Sriyanvi,
No,
can,
sir.
yeah,
I got x minus 6 and x plus 1, sir.
direct answer. Till the middle part only. 2 parts you tell.
Oh, minus 6 and plus 1, sir.
Yeah,
Minus 6x plus 1x
Yeah.
plus x.
Understood? Saichal is clear? No,
Sir,
no.
it can be as minus 3, minus 2, minus 3 into minus 2.
How? Minus 3, minus 2 will get plus 6. No, that's why I changed here. See,
Sir,
this-
yeah.
yeah, same question I had given before. See, the same way, how to different way can be possible. That I'm just explaining here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Same question, how different way can be possible. In that way, I'm telling you. Now, all of you do question example number 1 over here. All of you do here example number 1. Who is getting the answer fast? Too fast, this one. Split the middle term of this. First of all, you should find the product and sum. Then you should split it into parts so that it will get easier. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Before you did it as, sir, here you did wrong, I think, sir.
Where? Which question, Sai Charan?
Previous question, sir. X square minus 5x minus 6.
Okay. What is wrong? You tell me as per you what is wrong here.
You have written it as x into x minus 6 plus 1 into x minus 1. So, here,
I'm explaining once. I'm explaining once. You are having. You tell me where you are having doubt. Okay. First,
No,
tell. You only tell.
it should means here you have written at last x minus 6, sir, and x plus 1, sir. I think it should be x minus 1.
1 minute. Here is x minus 6 and this is x plus 1. Yes, correct only, no?
It's x minus 6, sir.
X minus 6 only I have written here.
No, sir, I was confused, sir. Means before it was like 1, sir, x minus 1.
Achha. No, this part you are saying, this one, right? This one you are
No,
saying?
sir.
Yeah, Sriyanvi.
That one, sir. It was before like 1, sir.
I think I got the answer, sir.
Example number 1 you are saying, Sriyanvi.
Yes, sir.
Let me finish this Sai Charan. Sai Charan got cleared or not? 1 minute. Hi,
Okay,
Sai
sir.
Charan. Now it's
Yeah,
clear,
sir,
Sai
now I
Charan?
got cleared, sir. Means
Alright.
actually before it was looking like 1, sir. That's it.
All right, fine. Sriyanvi, tell me your answer.
Sir, is it x plus 2 and x plus 15, sir?
X plus 2 and x plus 15. Sai Charan, what about you?
Sir, now only I'm doing, sir. 2 minutes one.
Yeah, fine. The meeting will end in 3 minutes. You have to rejoin again, okay? Akshit was telling that his time is not suitable for him. 8 to 9, he is telling that this time is like a bit late, it's happening for him. That's why he'll just go for the batch 1. Like that he was telling. He just messaged me. Sai Charan,
Yeah, sir. About to finish.
he told you also.
No, sir.
Mhm. Yeah, this is correct. What is the product? How you are doing, Sai Charan? Tell me that one. I just write here.
Sir, I have divided that one, sir, into second step as
First, you tell me product. Product, what you are getting? Product.
at last answer, sir.
Only product means this only, no? Sai Charan.
That's it. That one.
30x square.
15x into 2x, sir.
Yeah, 15x into 2x. Yes. So both answer you are getting both plus. Yeah. So 6x square plus 15x plus 2x plus 5. You are getting like Sai Charan like this only.
Yeah, sir. Then 3 into 2x square plus
Then here
5.
3x is common. So we can write here 2x plus 5 plus 1 common 2x plus 5. Sriyanvi, but x plus 2x plus 15, how are you getting? Hmm? Here we are getting correct, no? 15 2s are 30.
It's correct, sir. I think so.
One
Means
second,
3x
sir.
1 into 2x plus 5.
Sriyanvi, is the answer is like this? Check once.
Sir, I think she multiplied the both terms.
Sriyanvi,
3x
just
plus-
match once we are getting the same or not.
Yeah.
So Sriyanvi, somewhere here mistake is done. I don't know how you did. I know how you did, shortcut you went. 15 and 2 are getting, no, that's you told, right? X plus 2, x plus 15, correct? No, Sriyanvi?
Yes, sir.
I understood. See, if here x square coefficient, you should see Sriyanvi, okay? X
Oh.
coefficient is there, no? That's why that answer will be different from that.
Oh,
Yeah, yeah. So, going long method is while learning, no, try to do by complete method. Later on, you can try by shortcuts. Okay.
Actually, this was in 8th class, sir. Factor. Factor.
Yes.
algebra.
Yes. 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 So here we got the same answer. 2x plus 5 and 3x plus 1. Now algebraic identities. Algebraic, you know the formulas, children, which out of 10 formulas, Sai Charan, how many you know from before, and Shreyani, you how many formulas you know from before itself? It's going to cut, children. You just join once again. I'm just stopping the meeting now.